Hey everybody, this is Randy Wild Horse and I'm in the Pine River, Minnesota Railroad Depot. It's Pine River Information Center here. On the Paul Bunyan State Trail there. Let's see, tires are free, I guess. That's good. This was a 1919. Okay. Let me get the camera way back so. Sorry about that, people. Okay. They won't let me go inside, so I'll have to do it from the outside here. There's a lantern they use so people can see. This is 1919. Wow, 100 years old only. Using that. Oh, yeah, that's a. Where that is. Okay. There's the Pine River Depot, built in 1895. I don't know if they'll let me video inside, would they? Who knows? I can film inside here, the guy said. How nice of him. Look at this. All these stories here at the railroad. Look at this. This is so impressive. Look at this. Wow. In the street there's look at this. Wow. Some screen TV, more fun than that 242. There's the style. Look at that. Woo. Okay, that's modern. We have modern internet inside the depot. Two tracks here. Okay, look at this. So these are old-fashioned. This is free. Some places they charge you. Over here.
She was taken from Cass
Yeah.
County, so I don't know, but there's other ones in Cass County too that haven't been sold.
Supposedly one of the longest, or the longest, unsolved murder mystery took place in Pine River.
Oh, are you talking about the guy that had the hotel room?
Yeah, yeah.
I've heard that too, there's
Yeah.
different stories about who did it.
Yeah, there's still.
Okay, where, was that hotel John was saying was actually down here a little bit farther by the
The
Senex?
big white one was over here, yeah, and that was, get this right.
Oh,
Spurrier.
Yeah, Spurrier.
Which was in Spurrier?
Spurrier Lake region.
Okay, but Spurrier was over here by
Yeah.
where the GM
And so-
dealership was,
yeah.
right?
And Berkeley was over here, it was a big white,
Yeah.
someplace we got a picture.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Big white one. That's what would be fun,
How you
is
doing?
if
Not
we
too bad.
could somehow, find a means to build a building, and we'd like to get it right in here. That would look like the front of the old hotel,
Yep.
and have it as a convention.
I was gonna say it because the only reason they said they turned, or no, wait.
Yeah, this one, that was going down because the highway was gonna go through.
Right, and then like John says, here they tore it down because the highway, they've been talking years and nothing's been done, and so they tore it down. I said, yeah, I don't know if there were any more work, but, so there wasn't a school right here. But there was three boys.
Hello there.
Oh, hi there, sir. Oh, not too bad.
Good. Any questions or?
Yeah, about those train whistles for $5 donation. How do they like work? Just
Well, they're supposed to be a two-tone. We've had a couple different brands, and these don't have exactly the tone. The tone to replicate a steam whistle isn't
Okay.
quite as good, to tell you the truth. But it's the kids like them. But I don't know if were you thinking of it as a gift or something, or
yeah, something like that, I suppose.
yeah.
$5 donation. I got a train whistle. Oops. See. Look at that. Look at that old chest. Looks nice too. Yeah, they got some modern stuff too. Got a cap. Old typewriter. Luggage. Stuff.
I'll scan them and
Oh, look at Northern Pacific now. Receipts. What year? Yeah,
No, 48, 47. Here.
no, those are numbers. Hi.
Hello.
Can we help you?
That sure is a neat looking typewriter. That's the original.
It is the original typewriter from here.
Oh, that's neat. Wow.
And they're, do you have any other questions? Let us know.
Oh yeah, the adding machine. That's right.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Annette, we need to put the.
Oh, wow, that one goes way back.
Now, this typewriter
Mhm.
is specifically a railroad typewriter.
Yes,
You're aware of that? Because it's all capital letters, it has
Right.
no lowercase.
oh, okay, I
So
see.
that when they sent the telegrams,
Right.
the type was bigger.
Oh, yes.
So if it's a regular typewriter like this that has the.
Oh, this one,
That
yes.
has the lower and uppercase,
Mhm.
then the uppercase isn't as big
Oh, I see.
as it is in that. So that was specifically for sending the telegram.
Oh, very interesting. Yeah.
So.
I always liked the railroads ever since I was a little kid.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yep, you have a fascination with it.
Yes, I do.
That's
Definitely.
awesome.
Yeah. Oh, I like that Great Northern Depot.
Yep.
It's neat. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Yeah, those are numbers, those are years. This is the day and the month and the day. But where in the heck did you get the years?
By the way?
The year. See the day and the month.
Okay, here's the caboose here, but there's a sign here. It says keep off the caboose, no trespassing. So sorry I can't go on the caboose. So I guess the next best thing I could do is show you from the outside. So you don't want to get in trouble. This is state property, and don't want to. Whoops, excuse me. Wish I could, but I can't. No, that's a neat. Look at that. Look at that old door. Well, at least I can. I wish I was 7 feet tall. I can go from the inside, but can't reach. There's a lighting thing there. Oh, it's just so neat. I wish I could. Oh, there's some decorations. Very nice, very nice. Train goes back to 1907. This is it for the Railroad Depot in Pine River, Minnesota. This is Randy Wild Horse, and always have a wonderful day.